पार्लियामेंट ने तुर्की और शाम में होने वाली अमवात पर ताज़ियत और एकजहती का इजहार किया। राज्यसभा के चेयरमैन जगदीप धनखड़ का कहना है कि हिंदुस्तान बहरान की इस घड़ी में तुर्की के साथ खड़ा है और हर मुमकिन मदद फराहम करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। एनडीआरएफ की टीम तुर्की भेजी गई है। तिब्बी और दीगर इमदाद भी फराहम की जा रही है।
Honorable members, as you might be aware, a massive earthquake measuring 7.8 magnitude on Richter scale ripped through the countries of Turkey and Syria on February 6, 2023, followed by a series of earthquakes which caused huge devastation, loss of precious lives, and damage to infrastructure in both the countries. Honorable members, as reported in media, more than 4,000 people have lost their lives and thousands have been injured in both these countries. Many more are still trapped under the rubble, and the toll of lives, unfortunately, is likely to rise. Governments around the world are pledging assistance, deploying search teams, medical squads, and equipment, and offering aid. Our country has promptly on its part sent assistance and NDRF search and rescue teams, especially trained dogs, medical supplies, and other equipments to assist the authorities in those countries. At this hour of pain and grief, we extend our solidarity with the governments and people of Turkey and Syria and family members of the victims affected by the catastrophe, and also hope and pray that the survivors trapped in the rubble are rescued as early as possible and all assistance is given to the injured. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of those who lost their lives in this tragic incident.
हिंदुस्तान में तुर्क सफारतकार फराद सनल ने तुर्की में ज़लज़ले से होने वाली तबाही के बाद हिंदुस्तान की तरफ से भेजी गई मदद पर वज़ीर आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी का शुक्रिया अदा किया। उन्होंने ये कहावत की कही कि ज़रूरत में काम आने वाला दोस्त ही सच्चा दोस्त होता है लिखते हुए हिंदुस्तान को तुर्की का दोस्त करार दिया। तुर्क सफारतकार ने वज़ीर ख़ारजा एस जयशंकर का भी शुक्रिया अदा किया।
So all relevant Turkish government bodies are present in the region. Our search and rescue teams, medical staff and other officials continue their operation around the clock. AFAD, the Disaster and Emergency Management Authority, is coordinating the operations. Turkish Red Crescent are there, medical teams, hundreds of them, doctors and nurses with their equipments are there, and of course search and rescue teams are all over in the region. In short, altogether almost 14,000 local official team members are there and struggling to help victims in the region. And more than 5,000 military personnel is also available, and they are also carrying out rescue operations in the region. We established field hospitals, portable kitchens, sanitary facilities such as portable baths and portable toilets are established. And also 2,769 foreign search and rescue teams personnel from 65 countries. I repeat, from 65 countries, altogether 2,769 personnel. They are also present in the region and working with Turkish teams. And as you all know very well, India is among these foreign search and rescue teams. Early yesterday, just a few later than the first earthquake, Indian National Disaster Response Force held a coordination meeting upon instruction Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. And later, I also participating at the meeting at the Minister of External Affairs with NDRF members. And yesterday, India sent a plane, a carrier to Turkey, C-17 type, carrying more than 50 search and rescue members, experts, including some search and rescue dogs and some equipments. This plane arrived early in the morning in Adana, and the Indian team has started their rescue operations already in Turkey. And also early this morning, the second plane also went to Turkey. I think it's still in the air, but we expect this plane also to land before the evening. This plane has also more than 50 rescue experts and some medical equipment. So altogether, India has sent 2 planes, and we really appreciate the sincere and timely help of India. It is timely because, as I said, the first 48 hours up to 72 hours are very important for rescue operations, and Indian experts, search and rescue experts, are now in the